Okay guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna fix this. Okay, yeah, so as you guys can see, after you actually clean it, you can see the damage and go from there. It's literally, this right here is not that serious, but it's literally here. So I'm going to just end up, and that's behind the tail lights, so I'm going to end up having to weld something there. Here you go, guys. I'm still working on this right here. As you can see, this is the passenger side. This right here, there's nothing I can really do about this, but just trying to get it nice. And I use the fiberglass. Make sure I'm gonna do another coat, but I'm gonna make sure that, you know, it's covered as best as I can here. I'll try it with the light on. This is the passenger side. Here's this other dent that you guys seen in the other video. I got it perfect now. And this one right here is the driver's side. It had a hole in it. As you guys can see, it's no longer there. I did use the fiberglass. I think it's medium strand. I'm gonna do another coat here. It's just, this is a lot more difficult because there's no sander here. This has to all be done by hand. But as you guys can see, smooth. Right here, I got this smooth too. Let me focus. We move up here. I haven't really got too much work done here yet. I just did a light sanding. I did address the hood dent right here, perfect. Just gotta clean it. I'm gonna let it dry off. Throw some primer. Once you throw some primer on it, again, I'm a rookie, so that's the way I can tell. I know that people say that you should use dust so you know where it's high and low, but this is pretty much, for my ability or my skill level, this is as good as it's gonna get. I do have to address a couple nicks like here. My fender, I did notice here. I'm gonna try to heat it up and try to pop this out. But on this side, this is good. This is good. Oh, this is good. I worked this some more, cleaned it nice and smooth. I just gotta primer it. But yeah, I was working on taping the windows. I'm gonna make sure I tape the windows and take these off. I have a couple, as you guys know, I'll be parting these out, but I have a couple. My windshield right here is cracked. So I'm gonna remove my windshield to be able to work this right here. I wanna actually sand this down and treat this correctly. But first things first is I'm gonna remove my windshield. I need my dad to help me with that.